Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on that $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started. Welcome back. You know, my French connection, we're here. I need you guys to come to this Twitter. Make sure you guys like and retweet all these things, man. We got something really big right here. We got something to be proud of, and a lot of great news. Also, if you guys come check this out right here, that's why it's important to make sure you got that bell notification lit up. Not just for me, but also come here and hit this bell notification as well, because we got FCF holders get BNB dividends from transactions and FCF pay fees. If you guys have been following the channel, I know you guys know that already, but I got the channel blowing up, man. I mean, this channel is really taking off. I appreciate all the help that I've been getting from all my Twitter followers, all my subscribers. I've been sharing the channel to everybody, and all my French connection, of course. So I really appreciate all the help that I've been getting, and I'm doing this right here for all of us, and I need you guys to continue to help me load the comments up. Make sure that's hit up with the likes, share this video so more people know about the project that we're very proud that we have. You know, coming January, they're going to have, right here, we got beta release on WooCommerce incoming and Shopify in January. They're on fire. Did you hear about the possible deal with NASDAQ listed company? You guys need to come over here and give this a like, give this a retweet. Also, it's a great place to come check out some of the flyest NFTs I've seen come out. So you guys really need to come do this, not just for me, but do it for the French connection. These are our connections. You know, I know our community is way bigger than this. So I would like to see this all taken care of right here. Tons of likes. So let's get to the price prediction. Thank you guys for staying tuned to this part of the video. What I want to do is cover some things. We usually do it on fake charts, but we're going to check it out right here. So let's identify some support and resistance. And I just want to talk about a few things. You know, if you bought in anywhere in these areas before we mark this chart up, I just want to let you guys, you know, if you bought in any of these areas, you know, if you go to the store and you see let's say a necklace for $100, and then you go to the store 3-4 days later, you see that necklace, for the same necklace, for some reason there's some kind of discount deal, and you see it for $50. If it's the same necklace and you thought it was a good deal at $100, it'd probably be a really, really good deal at $50. You know, you can get one for the mother-in-law, get one for whoever you wanted to. This is just an analogy to let you guys know that, you know, I'm still holding. When you get in a project and you're holding, if you believed it at any higher price than what it is right now, you know, and if you're in a position, you know, this is not financial advice, of course, but if you're in a position to snatch it up here for the low, which, to be honest with you, this is exact support. We're going all the way across. We're on the hourly chart right now. We're going to, till the volume picks back up, we'll start looking at it on the 15-minute chart. Right now, we're going to identify some of these simple support and resistance. That's what I'm helping everybody do. Just help be able to identify some support and resistance. We're going to identify this channel all the way across. I want to see it because I can tell that that's where our next step is going to be going to next. You can see us coming up to the 27s very easily. I can see that we're holding support right here. This was an area that we also held support before, and it is a channel that we're going to mark up because, as you can see, we hit it a couple times right here when we zoom in. With the price got rejected a couple times right here. You guys know where the price get rejected and we have a breakout later on that most likely becomes a support. So this could be a support for us to take up later on. Right now, if you guys have been following the channel, I've been using this on DEX tools and just trying to give you guys a little bit more tips and tricks. I know some people are hard for cash. It's the holiday season, so not everybody can get the technical analysis, of course, even though it's half off if you get the money back alerts. So I've been just trying to give out more little gems, easy ways to be able to tell which way the trend is moving. I think it's very important for people to understand. I always say the trend is your friend. So we're just going to go over this really quick, identify these support and resistance, and then we're going to go overall, just check everything out. So right now it's basically on this line. These wicks pull back. This right here, let me zoom out for 1 second. So right here, that was that support. Then right away we start making, that's a higher low, right? And then we're right here again. So when you see these pullbacks, I know I got a lot of new people on the channel. And when you see these pullbacks, these are higher lows. It has to do this. You know, it naturally moves like this. That's the same thing that happened over here. Notice before the breakout, you know, we had this pullback. We held support right there, and we start making higher lows right away. You know, we have these pullbacks, and we start making higher lows. And that's how people can read the chart and say, Notice this is where the price was rejected. We came back around, we broke out of it, made support, took right back off. So I'm seeing something, a smaller version of that. The volume definitely has to pick up a lot more, but I know we have a lot of big news. You know, in January, you guys hear a lot of FCF pay. That's dividends that's going to be paid to us as well, which is amazing. And plus all the listings that we got. This project and this community is huge. You guys know I cover it also in Spanish. We're tapping into the whole South American continent. Not a lot of other tokens think about that, but that's not only South America, but Spanish speaking countries as well, and the UK, and the EU and stuff like that. So right now, moving forward, let's just, we're identifying this is what was happening before right here. This moving upward like this, these higher lows, and we got tapped out. We got tapped out up here. This was the all-time high, and best believe we're going to go up there. This is not a token that's going to fizzle out. That's not by any means necessary. I mean, the team and everybody, the community, we're very, you could say gun-ho is a word to say, to be pumped up, that, it's going to keep moving forward very quickly. So right now, what we're looking at is where we're at right now. So right now, we're at these 19, 18, we're at 18s. Right now we're at 22. And then this is this little tip and trick that I've been giving you guys. It's an easy way to identify the price movement. This is, of course, on the hourly chart until the volume picks up. But when you see these candles on top of this upper Bollinger Band, sometimes it's not always perfect. Notice right here, they were barely on there, but that's why the price started to go to the side. We meet this middle Bollinger Band, but when you see it bullish, an easy way to identify it is when it's on this line, on this line, on this line, it's still bullish, especially when you start using the SAR line, which is the indicators that I use. One of the indicators that I use right here, you go to indicators and just put SAR, and you'll find the SAR line. And the bottom one is MACD, just like that. And that's the bottom one at the bottom to help you identify the trend. It helps out a lot. So we got the pink pulling away from the white. We have some bullish candles showing up on the MACD on the bottom. We got the crosses on the bottom, of course. They're getting a little separated. Usually means that we could lose momentum, but as far as when the candles are on this line, when the body of the candle is on the Bollinger line like that, it is still bullish to me. And I'm going to show you guys why, because history repeats itself. What goes up must come down. What goes down must go up. What is just leaving is now showing up, and what just showed up is now leaving. And we have these patterns that continuously appear. So notice right here, we'll just come any area. You can basically notice it right away. Right here on the line, on the line, on the line, on the line. The minute the candle stepped off the line, it's very important that you also come to the candles over here. If you want your chart to look anything like mine, and put the candles on Heiken Ashi, and that helps you identify the trend a little bit better. If you put it on regular candles, you will have to learn all different types of names of candles. They call them all different types of names, depending where you come from. And then you get this choppy green, red, green, red, green, red, red, green, red, and you can forget about it. It doesn't entertain me whatsoever. I like to make this as simple as possible, and there's indicators that can make it very simple. So you put the Heiken Ashi candles, and you'll be able to notice on the line, on the line, on the line, on the line. The minute the candle stepped off the line, we got a red candle right there. We have the crosses step from the bottom to the top. We have the MACD. It didn't happen right away, but if you notice, the candle started losing volume. So the minute the candle stepped off the Bollinger line and the cross went to the top, and we got a red volume candle, and we're losing volume, it's just a matter of time till we peel back, okay? And this also works on the flip side. Notice over here, yes, it did step away. We tried to hold, but it didn't work. But notice how it's still got momentum going down while the candles are on the line. And then the minute, like if we go back to where we were just at over here, notice this is something that was happening. We're on the line, on the line, on the line, right? We break away from the line. We start getting some kind of buying pressure right here. The MACD starts to peel back over. Some people put some more selling pressure. No matter what, we made support, right? But we'll stay within these channels. And sometimes what happens is like just a wicks of break right now, the volume's not there, but right now seeing these candles, the body of the candle being on here, this is pretty strong. As long as we don't see no doji candles, I could see this continually going up right now. But I just want to give you guys some tips and tricks that you guys can use when getting into these positions. And if you guys are new to the channel, French Connection, I highly advise you guys go watch all the French Connection token videos. They're very educational. We got a lot of things in there. There's Spanish videos as well. All the updates, I've been covering it. But I just want you guys to know that if you got in any position over here, by the dividends that you've been getting by FCF, by any other tokens that maybe I got you guys in that you got extra BNB laying around, if you would pay $100 for something and you see that at a discount for $50 a week later, 2 weeks later, if it's something that you knew that was 14 karat gold, it had, you know, or even 24 karat gold, that was just pure gold, and you knew that no matter what, this was gold, and you got it for a good deal, why not buy it when it's $50, you know, or 50% off is what I'm trying to say. And that's where we're at right now. Let's get this 50% deal off. You know, those who got in, don't get shooken out of your spots. Hold on tight. And we're going to keep an eye on the French Connection. Let me know some comments down below, some things that you guys want me to cover. Let me know how you guys feel about these NFTs. I know they look, I mean, super cool. Let me know if you guys got some of these NFTs. There's a lot of giveaways going on. Make sure you guys follow them on a Discord. I'm going to have all that down in the description below. And once this little bear market, and we got to remember that whole Bitmart hacking and all that happened for a lot of tokens, if they're still alive, that goes to show you a lot. You know, to be honest with you, those tokens that are still surviving, still breathing, still have a pulse after that Bitmart hacking and bringing the price of Bitcoin all the way down to 42,000. You guys have to understand that Bitcoin dominance really affects all the markets together, and those tokens that are still having a pulse, and especially some ambitious goals like FCF that we have set in stone for 2022, we're definitely going to be seeing these all-time highs once again. So thank you guys for all the support once again. Load the comments up, share this video, retweet it. You guys know what's up. You guys know what's coming. Continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, later.